Got a beer, got the ocean, let's fucking go.
No, I'm studying like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knocking. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Fuck it out, that was a fucking 2-hour delay for my flight. But we're here now, sun is shining, getting our drink on. We already went out last night as well, second day here. Look at it. Nice. We're heading off to the beach now. Have some fucking swimmy. Cheers! Made it to the fucking beach. Let's go. Jeez. Fucking missed this weather, boy. Got a beer, got the ocean, let's fucking go. Ola gwiazda kurwa YouTube'a. Dawajcie kurwa. Fuck no, this shit's lovely. Sunshine. Look how many fucking beers we done. Fuck yeah, now mate.
Ej, dobra, kto siada na butle? Mamy dużo miejsca.
Dragan, jak tam?
Dancio.
Nie wiem sam.
Daj komentarz do YouTube'a.
Mordo, jest dobra pogoda, zajebista. Jest kurwa 23 stopnie.
A skąd ty już jest stopni?
Kurwa piwerko dobre, fajne. Można posiedzieć, zobacz co się dzieje. No, elegancja Francja.
Nice one. Good one, this one.
Good one.
This is what happens when you go out to the beach with Polish people. You got a fucking floaty filled with beers. This is fucking lovely, mate. We just come back from the fucking beach. We're gonna catch a shower and then back to drinking, and we're gonna leave the GoPro at home, obviously, because we can't take the GoPro, shit gets messy. But fuck me. Sun is shining. Last night, last man standing, here we go. All I need is your love tonight. It's the fucking last night here, we fucking done partying. We're packing up and we're getting ready to get the fuck out of John, mate. Love. Quarter time, back to the bike life. See you in the next one. Peace.